Alrighty, folks. Second to last, I should say, Fiber Gift Week. This is week 11. And what I have inside is, I'm shocked that we haven't done it before. So let's have a look at another hilariously tiny thing in my very big box. But again, this is a really small thing that packs a punch. This is the Rosie's Speed Winder, and what it is used for is if you have a small bobbin, like a weaving bobbin that goes in a shuttle, you just pop that bad boy on here, and then you pop this bad boy into a drill, and then you can wind bobbins without needing a bobbin winder, like a traditional bobbin winder. So it's basically like a tiny little bobbin winder for you. So I have a cordless drill, so I'm going to pop that in there just real quick and show you how it works, and I'll tell you about the sale and all of that. So, this guy is originally $19.99. We're going to put it on sale for $15.99, pardon me just a second. And I'm just putting it into my cordless drill, tightening it down, and then you're ready to go. I know it looks a little menacing, but it's really exciting because most people, not everyone, like I don't have one at home personally, but most folks have a cordless drill. Somebody in their home has a cordless drill. And so all you need is this little guy, and you can wind bobbins without a problem. Now, bigger bobbins might not be quite as well suited for this, but if you are a weaver or if you're a spinner that likes really tiny put-ups, then this is for you. So again, $19.99, going on sale for $15.99. That's going to be on December 23rd, 2 days before Christmas. So if you need that, want that, have use of this, come and check it out.